Are you looking to take your smartphone photography to the next level? If you love capturing fine details and exploring the world of macro photography, then this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best macro lenses for smartphones, breaking down their features, pros, and cons to help you make an informed choice. Let's dive in. Number 5 on our list is the Tokohansun macro lens for smartphone. If you're an avid smartphone photographer, the Tokohansun macro lens might be just what you need to elevate your photo game. Offering a 2-in-1 design, this lens combines both a 0.45x wide-angle lens and a 12.5x macro lens, making it a versatile tool for different types of shots. But like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Tokohansun macro lens. Pros. Versatility. With 2-in-1 design, the Tokohansun lens offers both a wide-angle and macro lens in one compact design. The 0.45x wide-angle lens is perfect for group shots and capturing expansive landscapes, while the 12.5x macro lens is ideal for close-up shots of tiny objects like insects or flowers. This makes it a great all-in-one lens for those who like to experiment with different types of photography. Clear, sharp images. The lens is designed with a single lens convex structure and a multi-layer coating, which helps to produce sharp, clear images. Whether you're using the wide-angle or macro lens, the picture quality is consistently impressive, offering detailed and vibrant shots that stand out. Durability and quality. Material. Made from high-quality aero-grade aluminum and German-imported optical glass, the Tokohansun lens is built to last. The surface oxidation process ensures that the lens remains stable, and the protective lens feels premium to the touch. It's clear that a lot of attention has been given to the durability and texture of the product. Microscopic photography. The macro lens offers incredible detail for photographing small objects, allowing you to explore a whole new world of photography. Whether you're interested in capturing the intricate details of flowers, grass, or coins, this lens lets you do so with ease and precision. Universal compatibility. The lens is compatible with most smartphones, tablets, and iPads with a camera diameter of 13 mm or smaller. This universal fit makes it easy to use across a variety of devices without the need for specialized attachments or adapters. Stylish and easy to use. The sleek and unique appearance of the lens gives it a modern and stylish look, adding to its appeal. The soft rubber clip is easy to adjust and won't leave any marks or scratches on your device, ensuring that your phone remains safe while using the lens. Cons. Distance constraints for macro lens. To get the best results with the macro lens, you'll need to maintain a 1-2 cm distance from the object you're photographing. This can be challenging, particularly if you're photographing objects that are hard to approach or are small in size, as you may need to adjust your position repeatedly for the perfect shot. The Tokohansun macro lens is a great addition to your smartphone photography toolkit, offering a versatile and high-quality lens that can capture both wide landscapes and tiny details with ease. Number 4 is the Apexel macro lens for smartphone. In the age of smartphone photography, lenses like the Apexel macro lens are designed to enhance the mobile photography experience. As a high-end product from Apexel, this lens offers a more detailed and refined experience than standard lenses. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or simply someone looking to explore the macro world, this lens promises to elevate your shots. Let's take a look at its advantages and potential drawbacks. Pros. Superior image quality. The Apexel macro lens delivers high-definition results that surpass ordinary smartphone lenses. The design is crafted with precision, resulting in sharp and clear images that capture intricate details with impressive clarity. Unique design. Inspired by Chinese tea ceremony. The lens design is inspired by the Chinese tea ceremony, with the lens resembling a teacup. This elegant concept not only gives the lens a distinctive look but also serves as a conversation starter, showcasing the blend of functionality and culture. Scratch protection and secure fit. One of the standout features of this lens is its non-slip locomotive clip. The clip securely attaches to your smartphone while the built-in bezel ensures the lens does not scratch or damage your phone. This thoughtful design adds peace of mind during use. Portability. The lens comes with a silicone case and a portable bag, making it easy to carry and protect. This makes it a great option for on-the-go photography, allowing you to take your macro shots anywhere without worrying about damage. Compatibility with single and dual camera phones. The Apexel macro lens is versatile, working well with almost all smartphones, including those with single or dual cameras. This ensures that a wide range of users can take advantage of the lens, regardless of their phone model. Great for macro photography. Designed specifically for macro photography, the 100mm lens allows for extreme close-ups. The large aperture creates a near-round bokeh effect, adding a beautiful, soft blur to the background while ensuring that the subject remains in sharp focus. Cons. Compatibility issues with certain phones. While the lens is compatible with most smartphones, certain phone models, particularly those with unique camera placements or designs, may experience some difficulty when attaching the clip securely. It's important to check compatibility before purchasing. The Apexel macro lens for smartphone offers a unique and high-quality option for those interested in exploring macro photography with their smartphones. With its beautiful design, excellent image quality, and added features for protection and portability, it stands out as a premium choice for photography enthusiasts. Coming in at number 3 is the Martvsen macro lens for smartphone. The Martvsen macro lens for smartphones offers an innovative way for phone users to elevate their photography. By providing features typically seen in professional cameras, this lens promises to unlock the potential for stunning close-up shots, beautiful landscape photography, and the capturing of minute details with ease. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Martvsen macro lens for smartphone without focusing on its technical specifications. Pros. Improved photography quality. The 32x magnification and ultra-focal length of the lens enable users to capture sharp, detailed close-ups with their smartphones. Whether it's capturing the fine details of a flower petal or the intricate design of a piece of jewelry, this lens improves image quality significantly. Wide compatibility. One of the key advantages of the Martvsen macro lens is its compatibility with nearly all smartphones and tablets. It works seamlessly with iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, Huawei, OnePlus, and many more, making it a versatile tool for mobile photographers. CPL and Starlight filters. The inclusion of 52mm CPL and Starlight filters offers users the ability to enhance their photos even further. The CPL filter reduces reflections from non-metallic surfaces, improving photo quality when shooting landscapes, lakes, or the sky. The Starlight filter, on the other hand, makes it easier to capture stunning jewelry or shiny objects, adding an extra sparkle to close-up shots. Convenient and compact. The 3-in-1 lens set comes with a storage bag, lens cap, cleaning cloth, and other accessories, making it easy to carry and maintain the lens. The universal lens clip ensures that the lens can be quickly attached to the phone, making it ideal for both professional photographers and casual users. Cons. Potential for vignetting. While the lens reduces distortion and dark corners, users might still experience vignetting if they fail to zoom out the camera enough. For best results, users may need to adjust their settings or zoom slightly out to avoid this issue. The Martvsen macro lens for smartphone brings a professional touch to mobile photography, allowing users to capture breathtaking close-ups and vivid images with ease. Its wide compatibility, improved clarity, and specialized filters offer excellent value for photography enthusiasts. Number 2 is the Neewer LS-26 macro lens for smartphone. The Neewer LS-26 macro lens for smartphones is a versatile tool designed for photography enthusiasts who want to explore macro photography using their mobile devices. Offering a high level of detail and a natural blur for backgrounds, it has been designed to elevate your phone's photographic capabilities, especially for close-up shots. However, like any product, it comes with both strengths and limitations. Here's an in-depth look at its pros and cons. Pros. Enhanced clarity and detail. One of the standout features of the LS-26 macro lens is its 105mm extended focal length. This allows you to get closer to subjects and capture intricate details, making it ideal for photographing small and delicate items like insects or flowers. The lens helps highlight your subject with greater clarity while ensuring that the background remains beautifully blurred, resulting in professional quality close-up shots. Easy attachment with twist-on design. The lens is designed for easy installation. Its twist-on mechanism allows users to securely attach it to the 17mm threaded lens backplate. This design ensures a smooth and hassle-free setup, allowing users to focus more on their photography rather than struggling with complicated installations. It is compatible with several phone cages like those from Neewer, SmallRig, Kase, and Beastcage, providing flexibility to a range of devices. Premium optical quality. Crafted with imported HD optical glass, the LS-26 macro lens offers exceptional image quality. The lens features an anti-reflective multi-coating that minimizes glare and ghosting, ensuring clear, sharp images. These coatings also help to retain vibrant colors and enhance contrast, making your photograph stand out with vivid details and rich hues. This makes the lens a solid choice for users looking to enhance their mobile photography without introducing distortion. Sturdy construction. The Neewer LS-26 macro lens is built to last. Its anodized aluminum alloy construction provides durability and resistance to wear, rust, and scratches. This makes it well suited for everyday use, ensuring that it will hold up over time, even with frequent handling. The matte finish on the lens further adds to its aesthetic appeal, offering a sleek, professional look. Cons. Requires additional backplate for mounting. While the lens itself is easy to attach, it requires a 17mm threaded lens backplate, which is not included in the package. This means additional cost and potential inconvenience for users who may not already own one of these backplates. Without it, the lens won't be compatible with many smartphones, making it essential to purchase the backplate separately. The Neewer LS-26 macro lens for smartphone is a powerful tool for users passionate about capturing the finer details of the world through their mobile devices. It offers sharp clarity, ease of attachment, and a durable design that ensures long-term use. And finally, our number one pick is the Kase macro lens for smartphone. The Kase macro lens for smartphones is an upgraded version of its Master Macro Lens Pro. It promises to enhance the photography experience, especially for those interested in capturing detailed close-up shots of subjects like insects, flowers, and other tiny objects. However, as with any product, it has both strengths and weaknesses. Let's explore the pros and cons of this lens to help you determine whether it's the right addition to your smartphone photography toolkit. Pros. Improved image quality. One of the standout features of the Kase macro lens is its upgraded optical design. Composed of high-quality optical glass with 5 elements in 4 groups, the lens helps capture clearer and more detailed images. Whether you're shooting flowers, insects, or other small subjects, the lens minimizes distortion, offering better clarity compared to standard smartphone lenses. Extended shooting distance. The Kase Master Macro Lens Pro allows for a shooting distance of 40-85 mm. This extended range is particularly beneficial for macro photography, where getting close to the subject is often necessary. The ability to maintain distance while still capturing sharp details makes it easier to shoot subjects like insects without disturbing them. Additionally, this longer shooting distance enhances the chances of achieving successful shots. Professional-grade bokeh effect. For those interested in creating beautiful background blur, the Kase lens delivers impressive results. Its design helps produce a pleasing bokeh effect, enhancing the subject's prominence in the shot and giving it a professional touch. Multi-coated glass for better performance. The lens is equipped with a multi-layer anti-reflective coating that helps reduce reflections, glare, and ghosting. This feature not only improves the overall saturation and contrast of your images but also helps avoid common issues found in lower-quality lenses, such as flare during bright lighting conditions. Cons. Bulkier than built-in lenses. While the aluminum body makes the Kase macro lens durable, it also adds some bulk compared to the built-in macro lenses of modern smartphones. For users who prioritize a lightweight, portable setup, this lens may feel a bit cumbersome when attached to the phone. The Kase macro lens for smartphones offers impressive image quality and a user-friendly design that makes it a solid option for macro photography enthusiasts. Its extended shooting distance and durable build are significant advantages, while the multi-coated lens ensures better image performance.